everyone, welcome back to Brie Pastry House. Today I'm baking my very first vegan vanilla cupcakes, proof that desserts can be kind, light, and still absolutely delicious. Watch till the end to see how they turn out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch more sweet creations every week. Let's get baking. Vegan vanilla cupcake ingredients: all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, salt. Sift the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Unsweetened almond milk, vinegar, vanilla extract, vegetable oil. Whisk the wet ingredients: unsweetened almond milk, vinegar, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients to mix. Bake it at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Ingredients: coconut whipped cream, to make sure we can scrape the fat from the coconut cream canned in the mixing bowl, the liquid to reserved for something else. Powdered sugar, vanilla extract, You can decorate it on the cupcakes or any desserts you like. Thank you so much for watching today's bake here at Brie Pastry House. I hope you enjoyed these vegan vanilla cupcakes as much as I loved making them. And before you go, don't miss my pumpkin cheesecake recipe. It's another cozy, delicious treat you'll definitely want to try next. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves plant-based desserts. See you in the next video, and happy baking!